Here is my Stay Wet palette with acrylic paints. I have two, and the other one has more white and opaque paints that I can add to my paintings. I was happy to use all my acrylic paints for a class in West Vancouver for the North Shore Artists Guild, and I did these two little paintings as demos. The top one is a 37 stroke painting. You can see each stroke is really deliberate, and I play on different motions. Some are fast and some are continuous rhythms. Others are just a straight brush stroke. And then we do a 37-minute painting, which this painting was started at. But now I've noticed it sort of sunk in, the paints, and I'd like to add a few more little bright spots. So for instance, I can come back and put some little highlights in, little rhythms, maybe a few little purple spots. That always pushes the warm colors. And I can soften some of those highlights. And in the end, I just check on the composition to see how the colors are playing out, warms against cools, and if there's anything that needs touch up, then I try to put that little color in there. And I sort of like how the color rhythms are going here. Nice little gestures. And it's a small painting, so I can keep fiddling with the little brush and check the composition this way. And if everything seems okay, then thankful for the day.